Hello, students. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Now, today the topic is we heard a strange noise. Let's start this class. Here we hear a strange noise, lesson number 3. Read and complete the missing words. Please, let's open your books. We are in the lesson 3 in the page 74, and we need to complete with the vocabulary. Help me, please, in the reading. Last weekend was my school camping trip. We traveled by bus and arrived at the campsite at noon. I helped my teacher to put up the tent and to get the sleeping bag ready. Then I played with my friends. We climbed up a tall tree and cooked on the camp stove, camp stove with my hiking boots on. I woke up a hill. We heard a strange noise next to a small tree, and it was a baby bird. We rescued it and helped it to go back to its nest. I love that camping trip. It was so much fun. Okay, students, tell me what happened. What happened to the in the last camping trip? Yes, they travel by bus, right? They travel by bus. They got to the campsite and then help the teachers with the tent and the sleeping bag. They also play with friends and climb up trees, as you see. They cook on the camp stove and use the hiking boots to walk up the hill. Then, when they were walking up, they heard a strange noise, and it was a baby bird. A baby bird means una ave bebé, no? A baby bird. We rescued it and helped it to go back to their nest. Yes, a su nido, no? To go back to their nest. Yes, and that was so much fun about that experience. Now, let's continue. What else do we have? Now we need to read and organize the numbers and the picture. What happened first? Teacher, the number 1, yes, they took a bus, the school bus, no? The number 2, they arrived at the campsite, teacher. The number 3, they helped the teacher to put up the tent. And then they were in the forest. Number 5, they wore boots, hiking boots. And number 6, climb up a tree and help or rescue the baby bird. What happened first? ¿Qué sucedió primero? No? What happened first? And then we got the answers. Can you see? Now, we have a strange noise. A strange noise, vocabulary and expression. For example, this is a mini book or a storybook. Here we go. Last night was a weird night. ¿Qué quiere decir? Una noche extraña. A weird night. Why? What happened? I was sleeping in my bed when I listened a strange noise. I jumped out of my bed. And looked at the wall, but I didn't see anything. Then I walked very slowly and I looked out of the window. A horrible monster or a funny ghost. There was a big monster, a big green monster. And there was a green monster and a funny ghost. And I climb up a tree. Fancy bird. Can you believe it? Well, this story is about the value of this story is do not invent as much as possible. No, you don't have to invent. You need to be sincere. Don't tell lies. No hay que decir mentiras. Don't tell lies. To be sincere is the greatest thing. ¿No? Ser sinceros es lo mejor que hay. Well, we need to check numbers and write sentences. Here we go. Letter A. Last week, we traveled by bus and arrived at the campsite. There was a camping trip story. Letter B. We played soccer and we played in the water or in the river. We climb up a tall tree. My father cooked on the camp stove, or we climb up a hill. We discovered a cave with a flashlight. Now, let's continue with a game to past tense dice. You need to check the dice and discover what is the verb. And also you need to check the picture, students. So the number one, for example, L-E, no? What else do we have? Oh, it's missing O, maybe a clear one O, no? In order to say loved, yes, loved. And the other one, here's the O. And the other one, for example, is played. The next one, according to the picture, is cooked. And one more is jumped, saltar, jumped. Now we got three of them. Listened. Now listen to music, listen to the radio, traveled, traveled by bus, traveled by plane, climb up a tree, climb up a mountain, stay at home, stay in the school, in class, walked, caminar, walk to school, walk home, discover a cave, discover something new, a story. Okay, students, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a great day. Bye-bye.